perhaps the most important part of scholarship is generating new ideas. And what better way to generate new ideas by having people with diverse opinions, diverse perspectives.
Our ability to attract outstanding graduate students makes us better. It makes us better as an individual laboratory because we get these smart folks in there. It makes us better as an institution because collectively these graduate students really contribute strongly in many, many, many ways.
You can imagine the synergy of ideas that get generated in an environment like that. And I believe that is surely a mark that distinguishes Duke.
From the very beginning, from my very first semester, I was treated as a legitimate member of an intellectual community.
And it not only strengthens your foundation in your field, but it also boosts your ego. You know something, you're able to contribute.
As younger scholars, we're doing a lot of work that is, we get to focus on issues that are sort of new and vibrant.
When I first came in, I don't think I fully understood what being a professional sociologist meant, but through working with faculty and taking courses and taking exams, working on my dissertation, I've really begun to understand what being in academia means.
We rely on our graduate students to sort of almost keep us up on the reading. They challenge professors, and they are critical, integral players to the production of knowledge.
We train them to have innovative ideas. We train them to design good experiments, and at the end come up with a body of solid scientific data.
In the biological sciences, we give the students an opportunity to get to know each other as a social group right at the beginning of classes. We take them down to the marine lab. We offer a course in research ethics, which we think is absolutely key for students to think about before they actually start in the lab.
The new Social Science Research Institute was this umbrella organization that will bring all of the social sciences together so that people can work on various projects, so you can deal with someone in psychology and political science and sociology and economics. And so one can come to Duke to be a social scientist and really be interdisciplinary.
In the case of the humanities, Duke has really moved forward with the idea of creating centers in which the focus is in fact on interdisciplinarity. And a center like the Franklin Humanities Institute allows faculty members and graduate students to come together around topics that are by nature interdisciplinary.
If you were to come to Duke, you would find the brightest minds that you'll find anywhere, working on problems that are deeply tied into the very complicated world we live in today. You will find faculty and students who are committed to working beyond their own parochial interests, their own disciplines, to engage in dialogue with people in other disciplines. To me, that's the best mix and the most important mix of things that you could find anywhere, and you will find it at Duke as at no other place.